world champions. Are you ready to play and learn?
Yes! Come up! Let's go!
Yeah! I'm ready to score!
Vamos! Quiero ganar!
I want to win.
Psst! Come closer. Did you hear the big news?
What's the news?
Curacao is going to the World Cup! And it's the smallest island to ever do so.
Wow!
That's amazing!
Zo klein, maar zo sterk.
Increíble! Yes, Curacao may be small, but we have a big heart. And guess what makes us super special? We speak Papiamentu, a language that mixes Dutch, English, Spanish, all your languages together.
That's us! We are Curacao.
Kiki, teach us. We need to learn before the big game.
Let's learn soccer words in Papiamentu while we play.
Kom op, snel! Move faster, Kiki.
Pass it! Pass it!
This is a ball. In Papiamentu we say bala.
Bala! In Spanish we say pelota.
Bala sounds funny. In Dutch we call it bal.
Go! In Papiamentu, gol.
Goal!
Run! That's corre.
Corre!
Corre! Corre! Pass the ball!
Say it. Pasa e bala.
Passe.
Tovi is our goalkeeper. Goalkeeper is guardador di gol. We are a team. Un gran equipo.
Equipo.
Whoa, I meant to kick the ball. Learning languages is like football. Fun, active, and better together.
We are one team.
Now you go play. And don't forget to say,
Bala!